As you discovered in our previous videos on Renelic's calendar features, using our calendar provides fuel for bookings related analytics. It also makes it very easy for you to synchronize your availability calendars with listing sites such as VRBO, HomeAway, Airbnb, Flipkey, and many others. But if you maintain your own personal website for your property and you would like to render your Renelic calendar on your site, it's very easy to do so. So let's walk through that. First, click the Publish tab. This brings up a set of settings along this column here that will control the look and feel of this preview over here. Now, if you can just imagine this calendar being rendered on a page in your site, you can change how it looks by using these various settings forms. So let's walk through each one of them in order. You can provide an inquiry form, or you can just render the calendar. We'll leave this as embed on your page because you want to do it visually as opposed to just a link, but if you wanted to just drop a link on your site, you can do that as well. We have a few languages that we support, so pick the one that suits you. The first day of the week is different, and depending on which country or which culture your customers might be living in. So pick one that makes sense to you. For instance, Sunday as opposed to Monday. If you have multiple properties within Renelic, they will all be shown here. So if you want to manipulate the look and feel for one, select that as opposed to all of them. You can drop the title if you want, like that, and you can go back and forth between planning or calendars. The number of months that will be rendered can be controlled as well, so you can flip back and forth and find the scope that makes sense for you. The colors that are shown here are just the defaults, but they are all controllable by the way of these RGB values over here. Once you have the preview looking the way you want, this iframe is going to reflect all the various settings that you control over here, and it is this iframe that you'll want to copy and paste into the content management system that is used to control the look and feel of your website. It might be WordPress, it might be Joomla, Drupal. There are several CMS systems out there, so use the technique for the CMS system that you use. But the key point here is that what you're going to be doing is dropping in an iframe back to calendar.renelic.com and its various settings to reflect this. We've already done that. If I flip over here, this is a website that that we maintain, and under the availability menu item, we have used again the content management system for this website to drop in the iframe, and it is rendering a calendar that like I said, just is controlled through this mechanism over here. So that's about all there is to it. You can change the colors and the various settings as I showed you, copy that into your page, and anytime you change the availability calendar by dropping or adding or removing bookings through this UI here, they will show up on the rendering here automatically for you. That concludes this walkthrough of calendar publishing on your private sites. Go ahead and give that a whirl and let us know how it works for you, and we look forward to hearing more suggestions from you out there in our Renelic community. Thank you.